Lip blush is a wildly popular service here at our clinic, and it's a best-selling service at so many permanent makeup clinics. This procedure is incredibly flattering, fully customizable, and can be done in less than 45 minutes with no 4 to 6 week touch-up needed. My name is Kelly, co-founder of Hyperreal Academy and AAM Platinum Permanent Makeup Instructor. In this video, I will show you how lip blush works, what to expect as a client, all of the cool techniques you can ask us for, the entire lip blush healing process, and finally, we'll show you examples of healed results on real people. By the end of this video, you will be so much more informed to make the decision on whether lip blush is right for you. Let's start by answering an important question. What is permanent makeup, or PMU? Permanent makeup is a cosmetic tattoo that is designed to last between 1 to 5 years depending on what you get and where on your body you get this tattoo done. The cosmetic enhancements that come from PMU can range from barely there to seamlessly natural to full glam. With lip blush, both cosmetic and color corrective techniques are possible, and they can even be combined. More on that later. Now let's get more specific. What is lip blush? Lip blush is a cosmetic tattoo that is done on the lip skin. The purpose of lip blush is to apply sheer color to the lip skin for either a cosmetic enhancement or a color correction of the naturally existing color. Here's what lip blush can and can't do for you. Let's start with what it can do. Lip blush can enhance the natural color of the lip skin. It can also introduce a sheer to medium cosmetic color that resembles a professionally applied lip stain. We can also use lip blush to make small adjustments to the lip shape and subtly enhance symmetry. We can also use these small adjustments to fine-tune the lip shape, changing the natural shape slightly to be more flattering to our client's face. This can range from enhancing the cupid's bow or pinching in the sides of the lips for a youthful effect. Just think my lips, but better. Now, I graduated from Makeup Forever Academy and I brought all of my best makeup artistry skills to my clinic. So not only will you get top-tier tattoo technique, but you're also going to get top-tier makeup artistry. And every permanent makeup clinic should have mastery over makeup artistry as well as tattoo technique. If you have hyperpigmentation that you want to reduce, lip blush can be used to camouflage discoloration and brighten the overall lip color. Lip blush can fill in areas where the natural color is too faint or if any of the natural color is missing. It's also possible to camouflage the appearance of a cleft lip, as well as color correcting the skin following a corrective surgical procedure. And finally, adding a cosmetic color can create the illusion of bigger and bolder lips, bringing attention to this part of the face. This can greatly enhance the balance of your facial features, especially when you have naturally faint lip color. So lip blush, while it can make a huge difference, it also has its limitations. Now, here's what we can't do with lip blush. This tattoo can only be done on the lip skin. No overlining allowed. This is very important to know as a client so you don't end up with botched results from somebody who is overambitious and don't really know what they're doing. Lip skin is completely different from facial skin, and the pigment will therefore heal differently on different types of skin. This means that when you overline your lip with lip blush, your results will heal terribly as two completely different colors. This is completely different from when you're overlining your lips at home with makeup, or even when you go to the med spa to get fillers done. Completely different. On a similar note, lip blush can correct small areas of asymmetry, but only within the limits of the lip skin's border, aka the vermilion border. We can make significant differences for many of our clients. We can sharpen up the coloring of the lips, and we can do very small corrections where there is asymmetry within the confines of the lip border. But for higher degrees of symmetry correction, you'll want to consult with a licensed injector. As a permanent makeup professional, when I know my client wants a degree of correction that I can't give them with a tattoo, that's when I refer them to my colleagues at the med spa. You do want that level of transparency with your permanent makeup professional. And not having that transparency is a big red flag. Lip blush is meant to be sheer, effectively mixing with your natural lip color for a stain-like result. It's not meant to replace the look of an opaque lipstick or even an opaque lip pencil. Here at Hyperreal Academy, we have a unique machine technique that lets us apply an unprecedented amount of color, creating the boldest lip blush with the highest color retention in the entire industry. And even then, the results are not going to be fully opaque. Keep this in mind if you want lip blush. If you want your results to look like a semi-sheer lip stain, you might actually want to ask for a bold color. Now here's the entire procedure step by step. Step 1 is the consultation. During your consultation, your artist will assess your skin health, discuss any medical concerns, and possibly ask for a doctor's clearance depending on these concerns. We might also ask you to pick up an antiviral medication from your doctor. This is to reduce the chance of blistering after your procedure. Our consultations are always free at Hyperreal Academy, so we encourage you to visit us in person so we can answer all of your questions and also see your skin in person, and we can pick out a custom color for you right on the spot. Step 2 is numbing and skin prep. Numbing can be applied to reduce the pain of the procedure, but there isn't any way to completely eliminate that discomfort. So keep this in mind before you sign up for the procedure. Everyone has a different pain tolerance, so I can't tell you exactly what to expect. And everybody has a slightly different reaction to different topical anesthetic ingredients. So that's why we keep several different types of numbing products on hand just for our clients so that we can minimize discomfort all the way through. Step 3 will be lip mapping and adjustments to the lip shape. The lips can be mapped using a string to ensure perfect symmetry. We will then carefully trace the outline of your lips and make some small adjustments if we can to give you that perfect shape, to give you the most flattering results. Think my lips, but better. In step 4, your custom color. Your artist will help you choose the best lip blush color based on your own skin color as well as your personal preferences. If you're not sure what color is best for you, don't hesitate to ask the professional for help. Every artist at Hyperreal Academy is also a color theory expert. They will help you find your undertones and they'll help you pair flattering colors based on your goals. They'll neutralize unwanted lip colors, and they can create your own unique custom shade that you can wear every single day under lipstick, lip liner, or just on its own. Then you're going to choose the style and intensity of your lip blush. This can range to airy, which is sheer, to bold, to ombre. And we even have a TikTok filter if you want to try our lip blush styles at home. Number 5, the lip blush procedure. After the client and artist agree on the final shape and color, your tattoo process can now begin. This is where I have some good news. Lip blush takes the average permanent makeup artist 3 to 5 hours per session, and usually there's going to be a touch-up needed in 4 to 6 weeks. Your lip blush procedure at Hyperreal Academy will not take that long. The reason why is because we have our real tint technology. We have custom machines that are designed to facilitate the application of full saturation lip blush tattooing. We have very advanced techniques such as pointillism and color blocking. So here at our clinic, our average lip blush procedure is going to be 60 minutes, excluding the mapping and consultation part, in which we will actually just take our time and we can take as long as the client needs. And thanks to our new modern techniques, most clients don't even need a touch-up. This is typically a one-and-done procedure for the vast majority of our clients. Step 6 is the aftercare. Just like with every other permanent makeup procedure, aftercare is half the battle. Good aftercare will ensure proper healing with the best chances for color retention, and bad aftercare will unfortunately give you the worst chances for color retention. For in-depth aftercare information, check out our video all about permanent makeup aftercare, what you can and can't do, and also how to plan your procedure around things like a vacation or sports. Lip blush is expected to heal in 4 to 6 weeks, and you won't need to come back for at least 2 years. And step 7 will be your touch-up. After your lip blush color recedes past, I want to say 50%, you can consider getting a touch-up. This will usually be between 2 to 5 years after your initial procedure. Otherwise, the pigment is expected to slowly fade until it eventually disappears. Now, I will show you the lip blush healing timeline. Week 1. During the first week, you'll want to keep inflammation as low as possible. So this means avoiding spicy food if you can, as well as avoiding excessive sun exposure. Your lips will be forming a thin film that will become darker towards the end of the week. Week 2. The scabbed skin will slowly fall off. This is where you're going to need to be careful not to pick the scabs. You might see blisters at this stage, especially if you do have a history of cold sores. Lip blush can and do trigger cold sores in clients who have the HSV1 virus. Whether you've had symptoms before or not, this is why we recommend taking antiviral medication before your procedure as well as into the first week of healing, just so we can either prevent or reduce the severity of any potential outbreaks. Week 3. Your lips might continue to shed some more skin and overall feel very, very, very dry. This dryness is normal. It's caused by the excess layer of cells that has yet to shed. So it's important to keep the lips moisturized with your healing serum or with aloe gel so there's less chances of the skin cracking, which will be painful. Week 4. So while your skin might feel normal again and you might feel like it's fully healed, the pigment isn't expected to be fully settled yet at week 4. Expect some darkness and maybe some areas of patchy and uneven color as your skin is still healing beneath this surface. Week 5 to 6. The 5th week is going to be the same as week 4. After the 6th week, your final results are here. The tattoo should be even in color with no more patches, and your skin should be fully healed. These are going to be your final results, so if you do see any areas of patchiness, if you have any questions or concerns, this is a good time to send your final results to your artist so they can possibly evaluate. But otherwise, your lip blush should be fully healed and we will see you in 2 to 5 years. So while this is the typical lip blush healing timeline, just a reminder that everybody's skin is going to be different. Some people might heal quicker or slower than others. Now let's take a look at some healed results. Your lip color right after your procedure will be way darker and much bolder than your true results. Keep this in mind so you don't book this procedure close to an important event. My biggest intrusive fear as an artist is to have somebody try to get their lip blush done a day before something huge like their wedding. This actually keeps me up at night. So that's partially why I made this video so detailed. Right. Not only will your lips be heavier, maybe even swollen, but your lip blush healing process won't be as pretty as something like your brows or eyeliner. These bad boys will peel like a grape. Do not book your lip blush procedure right before an important event, please. But your results, in the end, they will be more than worth it. The final color will be much softer. It will appear to be like a lip stain, and it will be much better blended with your skin color. If we enhanced your lip line during your procedure, you'll probably notice better symmetry and a better overall lip shape. This is what we aim to give each of our lip blush clients: a better, brighter, prettier version of their own lips without potentially ruining the shape with filler or needing them to put on makeup every day. This is Hyperreal Academy's signature lip blush. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video with a friend if you liked it, and subscribe to us for more free PMU education. Whether you're a client, pro, or a trainee, there's something here for everyone. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.